How to add someone in Snapchat without it saying by search. If any day you would like to add someone in Snapchat without it saying by search, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to tap on the Snapchat application like this, and after you tap on the Snapchat application, it will be launched on your very mobile device. After Snapchat is launched on your mobile device, now you have to go to the plus like icon, that is the friends like icon on the top. And after here, now what you can do is you can go to the option of invite your friends and invite. Otherwise, you can go to the option of quick add here and then add you any of the friends without searching them, which are available in all of your contacts. Now, if you tap on here and the very option of the quick contact adds on the right side, now you can see that there are the various options as well, which you can add on your very mobile device, and the various kind of persons which are on Snapchat, you can add them by here. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.